So my dock recently broke from the Nintendo Switch, and I didn't really want to spend a lot of money. So I saw this and I thought this would be also great for traveling, because I don't always wanted to bring this big dock with me. So I got this, and it says it works with the Switch perfectly. And that's not for the Switch Lite, just a regular Switch. This is what it looks like. This is for the USB-C. This is for the HDMI, and this is for a regular USB if you need to plug in a charger for the Joy-Cons or whatever. And this goes straight into your Switch. It is recommended, and I have read up on it, that you use your own power plug, the original from the Switch, and plug it into here. Because I know in past, people were worried that this one is gonna break the Switch. But if you use your original power connector you got from the Switch, from Nintendo, this will not break it, because this was the issue. It was that the third parties supplied a power for you, and it was usually more than 6 volt, and that's when the Switch was breaking. But if you use your original, you should be fine. So let's try out this one and see how this is gonna connect. So first off, you plug this in here. And then you plug the other things in here. So here you can see the HDMI is plugged in and the original Nintendo power cable. There we go. You don't need a dock. You can play with this little one, and it's easy to just throw into your traveling bag. Doesn't take a lot of space. Just don't forget to take your original power cable with you. Or get another one from Nintendo. But this one would also be great if you had like a second TV in a different room and you just needed to have somewhere where you can plug in a Switch. So this is a really great idea. I really like it. I'm happy that I can just take it with me wherever I go without having to think about it. So if you're looking for a second option or just a travel option, I would highly recommend this one.